Alright, what up, YouTube? This is your man, the Pepperhead Savage Gardener. And what I have here today is, well, first of all, let me explain. This side of my garden is a piece of garden that doesn't do too well. The soil content is not good, it has a lot of clay in this area. I had set many things over here, many things have died. But I have put some jalapenos out here. As you can see, I have some red ones here. And with the red ones, that brought up a good topic. So let me pick a couple of these here and I will tell you about red jalapenos like these guys here and why you guys should keep them.
Alright, folks, so what we have here are some fully ripened jalapenos. And these little lines, these little brown lines you see here are stress lines. And the reason why they have that, because with my peppers, I like them to kind of like beg for water before I overwater them. I don't want to overwater them, but I wait till the leaves start sagging, then I give them water. And sometimes I wait too long, maybe, but anyhow, these are stretch lines on the jalapenos. I don't know why people don't pick them when they fully ripen like this. I think maybe such because it's a common pepper and they still have their little heat while they're green, and they can make more money when they pick them when they're green. But at this stage, folks, I promise you, they are like twice as hotter. So for those of you out there wondering why are your jalapenos turning red, and if you got these brown little cracks looking lines on there, these are stretch lines, and the pepper will be hotter. So that just to give you guys a head up, I went on and pulled these out of my garden just to give you folks a little bit of an example. And I'm not gonna pick too many. Well, I didn't pick too many from my garden, but I just wanted to go ahead and pick a few of these just to give you guys a quick video. Plus, I have a dish I want to put them in. I'm going to make some nacho cheese. Haha, yes, nacho cheese with red jalapenos. Um, I will post a link up to that video. I don't know if I'm going to do it on my pepper channel, but I will put it on my food channel. But anyway, folks, thanks for watching.